Just madness keeping us afloat. But when I look back at all the crazy fights we had, it's like some kind of madness was taking control.
Hello.